So what Pete's got us doing, which is a great technique for these small lakes and canoes, is he's got his rod out over on this side, the starboard side, and he's got a full sinking line on, got a fly with a weight on it, and he's going to be going in the deeper water. Could be 10 feet to 25 feet. Got the sonar with the chirp through my phone right now, so I can keep an eye on it. And then I'm going to cast the shoreline as we slowly go along, trying to find active fish. Because the one thing is the brook trout seem to be a little bit scattered. They're not grouped up in this lake anyways, and we can go to another lake and they're all grouped up. But does this sound like the best technique to do this?
Yeah, I think the objective this morning was just to find them after not being able to locate them for the last 3 days. It was, let's find them. We got lucky in the back there and we were able to find a small group of 2-3 active fish, but I think we're coming up to a better spot here, so let's cover some water.
Okay, and I'm using a combination intermediate sink line, and what it's allowing me to do, gets it down, but as I'm pulling it, the intermediate, it keeps the fly up near or off the bottom, but the sinking line's getting it down to the depth I need. So I'm fishing 3 feet to 8 feet. You're fishing in the 8 feet to 15 feet depth, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can find some more fish.
All right.
Wow, missed him. That hit. It'll take me out a bit and I'll try again.
Yeah.
That was definitely a fish to grab there. Very cool. That was very cool, Pete. So basically, we thought it was weed when you had a bump, and then as you brought it up, it came up, followed it, and hit it. Okay. Well, I'll tell you something. What's a little guy would be a big deal to most people anywhere. I love to catch brook trout. Oh yeah, beautiful. So. Beautiful. And that's almost the coloration you would see, I would think, in May here. There it goes. Well done. And that was as the fly was coming up from the bottom, he grabbed that.
Coming up on that shelf.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.